Now we talked about fold, right? Huh? Fold anta. What is fault? Sir, mistake. Fault ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Fault is a ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If there is a crack, it's a fault. Okay, it is a plane along which the rocks might get displaced. You know, a plane along which the rocks get displaced. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನಫ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ರಾಕ್. ಈಗ sometimes only 1 centimeter display or 1 mm displace ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Do you call it a fault? No, there must be considerable displacement of rocks along a plane, then only it is called a fault. If there is only crack and there is no displacement, then it is called what? ಏನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ no. See, what is fold? Without breaking, if they fold, then it is fold mountains. When there are forces applied because of the compressibility, okay, they are folding, they are not breaking, okay, that is fold. If there is crack and the rocks are displaced considerably, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10 meter displace ಆಗಿದೆ, 1-2 meter displace ಆಗಿದೆ, it is a considerable displacement, right? That time it is a fault. If there is a crack and there is no displacement, then it is called earthquake. Joint. Correct? Sir, one joint ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. See, there is a crack. ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it should not be any displacement. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Joint is there is a crack but there is no displacement. Here there is displacement along the plane, considerable displacement along the plane. Fault the definition properly. Fault is a plane along which the rocks gets displaced considerably due to tensional forces or compressional forces. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Now I am telling fault. I will also tell what are the mountains formed after faulting. ಈಗ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಟೈಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್, abnormal fault, reverse fault. Normal fault and reverse fault. So you normal fault ಮತ್ತೆ reverse fault ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Normal fault ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, there is a block like this, okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ initially 2 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. There is a fault line. This is block A, this is block B. The tensional force is applied on it. You know, tensional force. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See, what happens when the blocks are dragged in opposite direction? One block remains like this, okay, and other blocks may slip down. Correct? See, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? When you are pulling like this, the other one is slipping down like this, right? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. See, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ height ಇದಾವೆ. When you pull them apart, along that plane only they are slipping down like this, right? This going down. Generally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Due to gravity it will slip down, right? That is why it is normal fault. Here tensional forces are involved. Tension force ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. There is a crack and when it is pulled apart, one block B ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is called hanging block. You know, hanging block. Hanging block is slipping down. Okay, that is called a normal fault. ಈಗ reverse fault ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Again blocks are there. like this. A and B. Here we are applying compression force. You know, compression force. Compression force is like a block A is maybe remaining there only, correct? But due to increased compressive force, what is happening? The B is climbing on the A. Okay. So don't you think it is reversing like this? Okay. The one block has moved up. Here the block has moved down. Here it has moved down. Here it has moved up. Understood? Gotaita? Is there any difficulty? Illa. ಇನ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಡಿಪ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, this is a plane, horizontal. This is horizontal plane. No, this is horizontal plane. If anything is going below this, means any plane, okay, any plane, means the angle, this angle is called dip angle. Isn't it dipping inside the surface like this? Okay, and if the fall happens through that dip, it is called a dip slip fault. Is it not slipping up and slipping down? These are called dip slip faults. Dip slip faults. Very simple. You know, one the normal horizontal plane tagori, and there is a dip angle. If that angle, along with that angle, the block is either moving up or either moving down, then it is called a dip slip fault. Now understand what is strike. Strike anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Strike ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. See, this is mountain. This is mountain and this is the horizontal. Now see the face of the mountain, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ size face. Are you getting the picture? This face. 3D image. 3D image ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3D image. This part is called strike. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ dip ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು, if you take to the depth, this part is called strike. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ strike ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, strike is this way into the depth. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. If something is horizontal, if it is sliced this way, the angle to the horizontal is what? Dip. Okay. Now if it is sliced inside this way, then it is called a strike. If something is slipping along with that plane, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there are some blocks like this. ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. There is one block like this. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Initially there is one more block side by side. Isn't it? Now one block is moving forward and one block is moving backward along with this plane. This is a strike, correct? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, one block has moved forward, okay, the other block which was earlier here has moved here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, means take two bricks, you hit it on a cross, you will find two pieces of the brick, one is hanging over the other, that is dip slip fault. Now take two bricks, keep them side by side, apply force on one brick on one direction, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಜಪ್ಪರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So the fault which happens through that plane ಅಲ್ಲ, that is called a strike slip fault. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದಾವ, if you keep them side by side and then due to opposite side forces, if one brick is moving other direction, other brick is moving to the opposite direction, there is a moment, there is a considerable moment, correct? There is a considerable change in direction, means there is a displacement of these rocks. That type of fault is called strike slip fault. This is called strike slip because the rocks are slipping along the strike. This is strike. Whether this is a face, huh? Actually this simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ one is vertical movement ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The blocks are not going upward or downward, they are going forward or backward or right side or left side. Understood? This is about faulting. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Yes. ನಾನು ರಫ್ ಮಾಡಲೇ? Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Very simple. Okay, fault ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? When there is considerable displacement along a plane due to compression or tension. Okay, if the displacement is vertical or vertical, then it is called dip slip. Okay, if the displacement is in horizontal direction, then it is called strike slip fault. This type number sir. Next type of mountain which are related to fault mountains are block mountains. You know, block mountains. See the folding or faulting, this is all part of geology. Okay, but if we don't know geology, we can't study geography properly. Directly I can tell you block mountains, but why they are called blocks? Ali e concept barta. Understood? If there are blocks of rocks either getting displaced upward or downward, then whenever they are, most of the block mountains are formed due to dip slip faults. Okay, dip slip fault. ಈಗ fold mountains ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, block mountains ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, these two blocks have either moved down, okay, or this block has moved up. Understood? You will see clear cut face like this. Okay, they have linear, okay, properly cut faces because the block have displaced vertically. Correct? This is called horst mountain or a block mountain. Both blocks are, why they are called blocks means because of the displacement of the blocks, these mountains are getting formed. Because of the displacement of the blocks, if the mountains are formed, they are block mountains. There is faulting, considerable faulting and considerable displacement of these blocks. That is why we are able to see this as mountain, okay, and this is elevation of the mountain. You have like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ mountain ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, because they are blocks ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿ. See, this is formation of horse mountain. Okay, horse mountain antara. Okay, because this is the other name for block mountains. They are not different mountains. They are part of block mountains only. Because of the displacement of blocks, these mountains are getting formed. What is happening here? Either this block has moved down or these blocks are moved up. Okay, that time what happens? There is a valley created. This is also called rift valley. Okay, it's called a rift valley or a graben. You know, graben land. Graben. Graben. Examples ನೋಡೋಣ block mountains and rift valleys. Block mountains best example ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Western Ghats. Western Ghats are one of the block mountains. Western Ghats. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ actually the Arabian Sea which you see today, it was not present earlier. What happened? The entire Indian plate was there, no? The western flank of that Indian plate got broken at Western Ghats and it has sunk inside, and that is why the Indian Ocean entered that area. That has become Arabian Sea today. Understood? Okay, initially the plate was very big. The western plate of that Indian flank, it broke at the Western Ghat lands, and then this western flank it sank down like this, and Indian Ocean from the southern India it entered and it formed the Arabian Sea. Now this part, the block which was right side of that block which did not sink, it tilted this way. That is why you have a Western Ghats, and all the rivers which are originating in Western Ghats, most of them which are called east flowing rivers, they are able to flow to the Bay of Bengal because the Indian plate has tilted this way. Adha niಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is Arabian Sea, this is Bay of Bengal. The western flank of this Indian plate, it sank down and Indian Ocean is there here. The water filled and it became Arabian Sea. But this part of India, which is a triangular part, what happened? The triangular part was horizontal this way. When it broke, the horizontal part also tilted this way. That is why we have steep side of this side. Means towards Arabian Sea we have a steep side. Towards Bay of Bengal we have a incline. Slope is very less. Okay, here it is steep. It is not so steep. Understood? Here goes how the Western Ghats are formed because of displacement of rocks or not. Considerable displacement is there, and the blocks, some block has sunk, some block has come up. That is why they are called block mountains. Understood? What about the Rift Valley? Examples, Rift Valley examples. Great African Rift Valley is there, correct? Faulted edges are very steep. Okay, faulted edges are very steep. That is why the Western Ghats are steep. So Vosges mountains and Black Forest of Rhineland, these are also block mountains. Vosges mountain, Vosges, Vosges mountain, and as well as the Black Forest of Germany, Rhineland, Germany, Black Forest. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ block mountains ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then we have rift valleys. Great African Rift Valley. And also Narmada, Tapi and Damodar Valley. Narmada, Tapi and Damodar Valley. These are because of this example. The central block has moved down or the adjacent blocks are moved up. That is why there is a valley formation and they are part of rivers. Always Rift Valley there is a river. Narmada Rift Valley, river, Narmada river. Tapti Rift Valley and the Damodar Rift Valley where coal is abundantly available. Because of this also there is coal formation. Because see, initially there might be some forest here. Whenever some block gets submerged, all the forest gets buried inside and it becomes coal over billions of years. Understand? Understood? That is how coal, petroleum, everything is getting formed. Understood?